Hey guys, today we're going to learn a small algorithm set called Tulip PLL. And before we learn this, make sure to know how to make the top faces. And that's called OLL or Tulip OLL. And you can see one of my videos to know how to do that. Like that. So first we want to solve the corners. And to do that, we want to look for headlights. These are called headlights. So two stickers that are the same in the same side, only the corners, not the edges. So these two corners are in the same side and are the same color. So these two are called headlights. So what you want to do is put it to the left and do a T-prime, which goes like this. And that solves all the corners. But you could also get, if you get this case where you have no headlights, so no headlights, none, 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 and so on. So if you get this, you want to face any side and do a Y-prime, which goes like this. There we go. Now after you solved all the corners, you want to solve all the edges. And what you could get is a U-prime, which is what we have right now. And if, as you can see, this is green, and this edge belongs all the way over here. This is orange, this one belongs here in the orange side. This is blue, this one goes back to here. And this back edge is solved. So if you get this case, what you want to do is put the back edge, the solved edge in the back, and do this algorithm. And that solves it. Or you could also get this one, where this time this one has to go all the way over here, and this one here, and this one here. So if this one has to go all the way over here, and this is to the right, we're going to do the right version of the algorithm. So the previous algorithm was lefty, so now we're going to do it right. And that solves it. But you could also get another case. So if you get this case where we have these two edges need to swap and these two edges also need to swap. So what you do is not hold it like this so that these two need to swap. Hold it like this so that these two need to swap and these two need to swap. Now do this algorithm. So you use your ring and middle finger to do M2 like this, and then you do U, M2 again, and U again, then M prime, U2, M2, U2, M prime, and U2 again. But you could also get this H prime where this one belongs here, this one belongs here, this one belongs to here, and this one belongs to here. So what you want to do is hold it anywhere and do this algorithm. So this is how I visualize it. So you see this middle bar, this is what I will be calling bar because it looks just like a bar. So you do M2 to put it in the top like this, and then you do U or U prime just to hold it horizontally. I'll do U, then put this middle center all the way back down again. Swap these two with the U2, bring this one back up, and before I did U to put this bar horizontal. If you did U prime, you're going to do U prime, but I did U, so I have to do a U and then end it with an M2. we could, and that's it. That's just to look PLL, and that's really easy, just 6 algorithms. But that if you want to learn to look PLL, then that takes 6 algorithms, but it takes 2 steps. So if you want to learn something that takes only 1 step, then that's going to be full PLL, and that has 21 algorithms. So usually, for this case, you have headlights, you would hold it here and do a T-perm and so on. But here, I see that I put the headlights to the left and I see a block here. So this is called a G-perm, and I'm going to do this out to solve all of this in one step. And that solves it in one algorithm. And if after learning this, I recommend you learning this. So let's just imagine that we were here, and now we're looking for the headlights, and that's here. So what most people tend to do is first solve them like this, and then solve the 2 corners. But what you want to do is just hold it to the left, and yeah, just do the T-perm, and then solve the headlights, and that's going to be done like that. And we got a PLL skip. Not a PLL skip, just an PLL and edge skip. And also for this OLL, this is not an OLL tutorial, but I will just give an OLL tip. So here for this OLL, you would do this. But the good thing about this is that all the edges stay where they are, and including this corner. And that makes it really easy to recognize where the edges are going to be, if you know full PLL, obviously. And after doing it, you're instantly going to know where the edges are, and you could predict where the headlights are going to be, or if they're going to be solved, or diagonal corner swap. That depends on you, if you want to learn it or not. But I hope you find this video interesting, and make sure to like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you guys next time.